Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Microsoft Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your Microsoft Ads account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin into your Microsoft Ads account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, oftentimes you're going to work with contractors or assistants, and maybe you want to give them access to help manage your Microsoft Ads. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Microsoft Ads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Microsoft Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an admin into your Microsoft Ads account, here on the left side, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu, and you want to click here on user management. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all the different admins or users you have in your Microsoft Ads account. You can see it's just me. However, to add another admin, you're going to click on this blue invite user button. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and enter the information for the person that you want to add as an admin. So you're going to enter in their first name, last name, email address. Make sure you use their correct email address because it will need to accept this invitation. And then here you can go ahead and choose their role. So you can put them in as a super admin, standard user, campaign manager, or just a viewer. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and add them as an admin. So let me enter all this information in off screen. Okay, once you've entered in the required information, click on send. A quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we've added another admin right down here at the bottom. So they don't have access to this account yet because they haven't quite accepted the invitation in their email. However, once they've accepted it, it's going to be notated here in the user management. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your Microsoft Ads account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.